Hello beauties, welcome to our channel Beauty Unlocked. Are you still skipping breakfast or eating the wrong foods in the morning? Are you not having enough time to prepare healthy breakfast daily? What if I told you that the first meal of your day could completely transform your skin and body from the inside out? Yes, today I'm revealing the top 5 easy and healthy breakfast ideas that are quick to make, super delicious, and guaranteed to give you glowing skin and lasting energy. Stick till the end because I'll also share a bonus secret tip that celebrities use for radiant skin. And hey, before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our Beauty Unlocked family because your glow journey starts here. Breakfast number 1. Overnight oats with berries. First up, we have overnight oats with berries, the ultimate skin-loving breakfast. Oats are rich in fiber, which keeps your digestion smooth. And yes, clear gut means clear skin. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals, slowing down aging and giving you that youthful glow. You can prep it the night before. Just soak oats in almond milk or yogurt, add chia seeds, top with berries, and refrigerate. In the morning, grab it straight from the fridge. Creamy, delicious, and power-packed. This breakfast is not only worthy but also trending in wellness communities worldwide. Overnight oats recipe? Easy healthy breakfast and best food for glowing skin will bring a great changes for your health and skin. And trust me, this one will change your mornings forever. Breakfast number 2. Avocado toast with egg. Second on our list is the classic avocado toast with egg. Simple yet magical for your skin and body. Avocados are rich in vitamin E and healthy fats, both essential for repairing skin and keeping it soft. Eggs provide protein to keep you full and repair skin cells. Just smash an avocado, spread it on whole grain bread, sprinkle chili flakes, top with a boiled or poached egg, and you're good to go. This breakfast is a favorite among beauty influencers and celebrities because it's quick, trendy, and effective. And did you know that avocado toast recipe and healthy breakfast ideas are some of the top searched terms in the food and lifestyle category? That's exactly why this option is a winner. Breakfast number 3. Smoothie bowls with seeds. It is a real skin and health booster. Blend spinach, banana, and mango with coconut water or almond milk. Pour it into a bowl and top it with chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and some granola. Seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids which fight inflammation and keep your skin plump and youthful. Not only does this look gorgeous in your feed, but it also fuels your body with vitamins A, C, and E, the holy trinity for glowing skin. And smoothie bowl for glowing skin and breakfast for beauty are trending massively. So this is one hack you'll love to try. Breakfast number 4. Paneer tofu scramble. For my protein lovers, here's something different. Paneer or tofu scramble. High protein means fewer sugar cravings and more sustained energy throughout the day. Paneer, Indian cottage cheese, or tofu is calcium rich, which is great for both your bones and your skin elasticity. Just crumble it, toss with onions, tomatoes, spinach, and spices, and you've got yourself a delicious breakfast. This is also a great option if you're vegetarian or vegan. And guess what? Videos around high protein vegetarian breakfast are ranking high right now. So this is your skin's best friend. Breakfast number 5. Detox water with chia seeds plus fruit salad. Our 5th breakfast idea is refreshing and hydrating. Start your day with a glass of chia seed infused lemon water. Chia seeds expand in water, keeping you fuller and hydrated. Pair this with a colorful fruit salad. Papaya, watermelon, orange, and kiwi. These fruits are loaded with vitamin C, the ultimate collagen booster. This breakfast is quick, cleansing, and perfect for busy mornings. Plus, it's super popular nowadays. Okay, here's the bonus beauty tip I promised. Add turmeric latte, golden milk, once or twice a week to your breakfast routine. Turmeric is anti inflammatory, helps heal acne, and keeps your skin glowing naturally. This is a favorite among celebrities and Korean beauty routines too. So, there you have it, 5 quick, simple, and powerful breakfast ideas that not only keep your body strong but also give you that enviable glowing skin. Which one are you trying first? Comment below and let me know. And if you found these tips useful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Beauty Unlocked, and hit the bell icon because I'm bringing you more skin friendly hacks, beauty tips, and healthy lifestyle secrets every single day. Remember, your glow starts from within, and I'm here to unlock it for you. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.